Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy day here. The price action, the bears took a bite out of things, and you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume that the chart has had for quite a while. But from a charting perspective, we now have an interesting setup here. And if you've ever studied patterns at all, maybe you've heard of the triple bottom. And right here, it's looking like a potential triple bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, I really wish trading was this easy, just because on 3 separate occasions the prices come down here and bounce right off this $1.82 area. Does that mean that this is 100% guaranteed to get some sort of bounce up to $2.15, 20 cents, or anything like that? Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, it would not be shocking at all. Heck, it's bounced 3 times from that level before. But I don't want to come across, and nobody can come across and say that this is for sure going to happen, because that would imply that there's guarantees in the market, and that just doesn't exist. So, again, would it be shocking to see a bounce? No, not at all. But, you can't sit here and say that for sure that would happen. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, definitely the key level of support going into tomorrow is $1.82. As you've seen, it's hit there 3 separate times, creating the potential triple bottom pattern here. So in the event, though, that a bounce does start to occur, where are some of these key battlegrounds at as far as resistances are concerned? First key area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up here at, we'll call it the $1.93-ish area. You can see quite a bit of times today that the bulls try to break up through that level and can never quite do it. So $1.93 is almost kind of like that momentum hurdle, where if the bounce is going to gain any sort of organic momentum and potentially set off scanners and bring in more people, that right around that $1.33 or $93 is going to be that key area to watch. In the event the price can push through there, then the next key overall level to watch is going to be that purple line there, 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I realize that line is way up there, but as time goes by, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant, but one step at a time. And that first step, AK hurdle, however you want to look at that, is right there at that $1.93 mark. But anyway, slice it, interesting pattern, potential triple bottom, so we'll see if the bulls can make an appearance tomorrow or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.